Good morning, Roland Park 8th graders. This is Mr. McFadden, and I am super excited to get started with this year. This is a short video to explain to you the different technologies that we will be using to make sure that you all get the most out of your online learning. There'll be more videos that you'll find in the resource section of the Google Classroom that explain how to access each different set of technologies that we will be using. So your first and most important question, how do I access my classes? We'll be using the Clever app, which is an app that allows you to save all your passwords in one place for an easy click to access them. All you need to do is click on the link above or type it in and use your city school's email and password, and you'll be signed in to all of the apps. So once you go to clever.com/in/bcpss, it will take you to this page. This is the Baltimore City Public School District access to Clever. You don't want to click the Clever badge over here. You want to log in with Active Directory. That will make you log in with your city school's email and password. Just a reminder, it is the same as what you ended last year with. Nothing was reset, so whatever your password was last year is the same right now. So mine will look a little bit different than your students. When you're logged in, it should take you to a page similar to this one. And you can scroll down and see all the apps that we're going to use this year. So these are all the district approved apps. My recommendation is to find the apps that we're going to be using for my class and your other classes. And if you scroll over it, there's a heart that appears. If you click the heart, that app will then appear at the top of the page under favorites. So my suggestion is to add Zoom, click the heart, Zoom will appear at the top. Your Google Classroom you can heart and that will appear at the top. Great Minds in Sync, that's our curriculum, the Eureka resources, you can heart that one, and Imagine Math if you heart that one. Those will all then appear at the top of the page, and then once you log into Clever, you will be automatically logged into all of these awesome apps. So you can just click on Zoom, it'll take you right to Zoom. If you click on Google Classroom, it'll take you to Google Classroom. Any of these things will appear and automatically log you in. So just to show you how it works again, if you click on Google Classroom, now it's automatically logging me into the Google Classroom system. And again, mine looks a little bit different than yours because I'm a teacher. But once I log in, you can see all of my classes. Here's our math department's class, the 8th grade team's class, and then all 4 of the advanced academic algebra classes. If you do the same thing, all of your classes should appear. You might have requests from each teacher to join their class. You just have to accept those, and then all of your classes will appear right here for the Google Classroom feed. It's the same for the other apps. So if I go back to my Clever page, and I want to go to the, let's just say Imagine Math. That's one of the apps that we'll be using for math. If I click on that, again, it automatically logs me in, so it'll take me directly to that page. What curriculum will we use? We're going to be using the Eureka Math curriculum just like last year. All of the online learning assignments and feeds you'll find on our Google Classroom. And for our live instruction, we'll be using Zoom. What will the live sessions look like? Not only will I be doing live teaching, but you'll also have a bunch of group learning time. So you'll get to meet with your peers online to solve some of the math problems. How will grading work? Grading will actually be the exact same as last year. The only difference now will be that there is no homework. So if you look closely, I've attached the rubric right here. If you want to pause the video and look closely, assessments are still 70% of your grade, and classwork will be 15% of your grade, as well as participation that will be the other 15% of your grade. Again, that means that there is no homework. All of this work is expected to be done during the class period and during your group activities. Lastly, you should know that all of your grades will be posted only to Infinite Campus. Please don't try to use Google Classroom to understand your grades because that is not where the up-to-date grades will be kept. There will be some additional videos that explain all the nits and bits to how to access and use all of the specific pieces of technology that we will use this year.